What's up, guys? It is me, and I'm back in Animal Company. So, this video, I'm going to be showing you how to build a helicopter in Animal Company. So, let's start the video. Okay, so I think the first thing we are gonna need, we're obviously gonna need a base. So, I think maybe something, one of these could be a good base. Like, I don't know about two, but okay. So first thing we gotta do is probably add some snowboards on the bottom. Yes, I have special snowboard. I think most people do now, but anyways, you should probably just get 2 snowboards. So, anyways, now that that's like that, okay, so I think this is a good size. Good size for snowboard. I don't know, not snowboard, helicopter. I should probably add like a back thing. So like in the back, you could carry stuff. That actually that's a kind of good idea. Or just if someone jumps on, maybe you could just transport them, but that probably gonna put some a saddle in there since I just unlocked them like 12 minutes ago. So someone could sit in here. So someone could just like sit in there while, so okay, so then alright. So now we have a back area for people to, actually maybe flipping it like that could work good. Cause then, I don't really know, but I'm just coming up with most of these ideas this second. So do that. Now we have a back for someone to sit in. Of course, we're gonna need saddles just for people to be sitting in it, because you need to have some, I think, so. Okay, so then place, I think one of those on the, place one of those on the back. Anyways, I'm just gonna place one of those. That goes there. So when you grab onto it, you can just, I feel like I need a stopping system. Although, how could I make a stop system? Anyway, so I need more box fans. That's the first thing I know. Because I'm pretty sure that like 3 or something, it's not gonna be enough. Oh no, 3 might be enough, but just 1 is definitely not gonna be. Or I don't think it would be for going like high in the air. So you could grab this and then. So next, ooh. Then if I just so I'm gonna take one of those off so I can get these bottom ones on. Take that and then box fan again, goop, and yeah, I just lost that goop, but I don't really care since I can just buy another one and I have like a couple $1,000. Then I can put them on board. Snowboard back on. So this would be the front. You could just and okay, so that works pretty good. So it's like a land system. Just in case, I'm gonna put some extra ones on, just in case of like, I don't know. I need to put more on. I need to put more of the box fans onto the helicopter. So then, if like the fans start, because I think that once you leave a lobby, box fans that you had just start working less good. So just in case my box fans start not working as good, I can do that. Actually, I think maybe putting some bottom ones on too could help. Because I don't know how many box fans is too many. So anyways, those, and then that. Well, that was convenient. It just worked like that. Okay, so next, special snowboard again. So this is kind of heavy, I think, right? I guess that's my stopping system. So next thing we're obviously gonna need is we're obviously gonna need a bunch of saddles so other people can ride. Like well, I didn't know you could do that. It's just kind of floating. Like your hand goes through, but the goop doesn't, which is a little confusing. So one of those there. There, that. So maybe I think maybe like 4 saddles is good enough. So a total of like 5 friends could go on. Yeah, so I unlocked. So since I unlocked saddles, I can save things at the goop build machine. So next, I might need to branch out for where someone would normally go. What could I use to branch out? I mean, that might be too big. Could work, but I think maybe just like a snowball. No, just probably placing one of these. Just like, and one of those things on the back. Oh wait, no, I need to attach it to there first. I forgot. I almost did. Hang on, so okay, that looks pretty good. I don't know why, but it's just not working. Anyway, so that is how to build a helicopter in Animal Company. Oh, there's me building one. You can take it as a tutorial if you would also like it as one. Wait, and if the driver wanted, they could also go back here. It's like multiple seats for the driver. The fact that kind of can just steer it, like. Alright, so, that, what's that? The building's not. Alright, guys, so that was the how to build a helicopter in Animal Company, kinda, so yeah, that was it for this video. Bye. Peace. I don't know how to do Animal Company outros.